First log into the platform, you go to the top right corner of your screen and press login, where you can then fill in your details and log in. This is the dashboard for the platform. This is the first page you see when you log into your platform successfully. The dashboard gives you a complete real-time overview of your business performance, and it helps you understand things such as your total leads, your qualified leads, your converted leads, and also what channels are driving the most value. In the channel and performance distribution section, you can see all the various sources the leads are coming through from, whether it be from the website form, the chat pilot, Google campaigns, LinkedIn, and so on. You can also see your email outreach statistics and ROI as well, as you can see the total number of emails sent, the open rate, the reply rate, the positive replies, the qualified leads, etc. We also have the live system crawler and AI event log. This gives you full visibility into what the AI is doing for your business in real time. We also have the setup and checklist process, which ensures that your system is fully configured and ready, and all the checklist processes have been completed. Next, we have the quick growth actions, which reduces time spent navigating and allows faster execution by using shortcuts such as adding leads, starting campaigns, triggering workflows, etc. Next, we move on to the connections part of the platform. In this section, we have 6 different channels that allow Fritado to integrate with your existing tools and automate workflow across platforms. This would be a one-time setup where you connect things like your LinkedIn, your email, and other applications. And once connected, Fritado can perform automated actions across these systems. First, we have the social media setup, where you can integrate your social media platforms such as your LinkedIn and your Reddit. Next, we have the email setup. This enables automated outreach directly from your business or personal emails. Here you can add in your emails and they will automatically be connected to Fritado. Next, we have the chat pilot feature, and it connects a chatbot to your website. This can be configured and set up as per your use. When you press the configure button, you can pick things such as your domain, the chat title, the chat subtitle, a welcome message if needed. You can also customize the colors as per your website branding or your company branding, etc., and save changes. Here you can also see a live preview of how the chatbot would look on your website. And you can also fill in the details and see what they would reply with as well. Next, we have the Google Ads integration feature. This helps you connect your Google Ads account into Fritado, and once connected, you can see all the statistics that the campaign has with things like the budget, the status, and when it was created, etc. Next, we have the website lead capture. This ensures that every visitor on your website who shows interest is captured as a lead automatically, with no manual tracking required. Each website is assigned a SDK code which needs to be copy and pasted into your website. Once this code is added, Fritado can track user activity, capture lead details from any form and interactions that are available on your website, and send them all directly here onto your CRM. Once integrated, Fritado ensures that no website inquiry is missing and all leads are captured in real time. Next, we have the WhatsApp integration feature. This helps you connect your personal or business WhatsApp number for direct one-to-one lead outreach. So once connected, you can choose the name you would want on your account. You can also choose from different AI outreach tones from professional and direct, friendly and casual, bold and persuasive, and creative and interactive. This feature allows you to connect your WhatsApp account with Fritado, enabling real-time communication with your leads and potential customers. This ensures faster communication and reduces delay between lead generation and actual engagement. Once you are completed with all the one-time setups, we then move on to projects. This section allows you to manage all your web properties and monitor the AI integration across connected websites. Each project represents a website or domain that is connected to Fritado. You can also see the status of each project, whether it is connected or pending setup. Next, we move on to the onboarding section. This section is where you define your company's core identity so the AI can generate highly relevant and targeted outputs. The better the inputs you provide here, the more accurate and effective the system becomes across all features, whether it's lead generation, outreach, or content creation. Here we have various components within this section. All these sections are autofilled by our AI bot from the information provided to it. The first component is the business description. This is where the AI describes what your business does, your industry, your target audience, and your positioning. This can always be edited by yourself as well by just clicking the edit button. But if you're happy with what the AI generates for you, then you can leave it as is. Next, we have the industry and sector. This helps the AI understand who the target audience is, what industry or sector that you want to target for your potential leads and customers. Next is the market present region. So if you put in all the regions that you would like to focus on when targeting leads and acquiring customers, AI will then specify all your leads and potential customers to that region. Next, we move on to the offering catalog. This is something that is also filled by our AI bot, but can always be edited by yourself by either removing or adding in actions. Here, the AI lists all your products or services in detail. Products and services can also be added manually as well by you, and the ones generated by AI can also be removed by yourselves by clicking the remove button. The third is the growth keywords. Here, the AI generates keywords or terms that are important for your business for customers. For example, your services, industry specific terms, or target customers. The keywords can also be added on here manually or removed as and when you please. Overall, this whole section acts as a foundation for your entire system and ensures that all the AI driven activities are tailored specifically to your business rather than being generic. Next, we move on to the growth engines. Here we have Google campaigns, LinkedIn outreach, and email outreach. First, we look at Google performance campaigns. Here you are able to launch Google campaigns for your business. This section is part of the growth engine and is designed to help businesses run and manage high performance Google ad campaigns focused on lead generation. You can always click on launch new campaign and start a new campaign that can be generated. Instead of just driving traffic, the goal here is to generate qualified inquiries and potential customers directly from your campaign. And on the screen, you can also see an overview of your campaign performance. This includes the total number of campaigns, active campaigns, total leads generated, and the average cost per lead, also known as CPL. This gives you complete visibility on how your campaigns are performing and how effectively your budget is being used. Next, we move on to the LinkedIn outreach. This section is part of the growth engine and is designed to help businesses automate their LinkedIn presence. Instead of manually creating and posting content, Fritado allows you to automate your LinkedIn activity in a structured and scalable way. When you first go to the settings option, it gives you various options such as your posting schedule, the days you would want your LinkedIn post to be posted, the daily post limit, the daily posting time as well. With the AI generated post, you can also add a default tone for the posts and also pre-approve or just let the AI do the work for itself. This helps businesses stay active, improve visibility, and generate inbound engagement from their target audiences. Here on the screen, you can see things like the total campaigns, the active campaigns, the scheduled post, and the total engagement as well. And you can also see your upcoming scheduled posts on here as well. Here you can see all your active campaigns, and you can also add a new campaign. You can set up various different campaigns, each of which having their own objective as well. This is the content calendar where you can view, edit, and schedule your LinkedIn posts. Every day you can plan and automate your content in advance, which ensures consistency. The analytical dashboard helps you track the performance of your LinkedIn posts, where you can see metrics such as impressions, total engagement, including engagement rate, and click-through rate as well. It helps you understand what type of content works best for you, so you can refine your strategy over time. Next, we move on to the email outreach section. This section is designed to help businesses automate the sales workflow, manage their audience, and track engagement. On your screen, you can see an overview of your campaign performance, including your total campaigns, average open rate, click-through rate, and scheduled campaigns as well. This gives you a quick snapshot of how your outreach is performing. It also shows you your audience health and focuses on the quality and health of your daily list. The design section allows you to create and structure your email content. This ensures that your emails are not only functional but also visually clear and engaging for your audience. You can always choose from a variety of templates and also create your new templates as well, which is all AI generated. You can always choose a template style such as a welcome email, a professional offer, an announcement, etc. Or you can also build your own template as well. The analytical dashboard gives you a quick snapshot of how your outreach is performing. It also shows you things like your total campaigns, average open rate, click-through rate, and the scheduled posts as well. We also have the intelligence and insight feature where the system provides a data-driven recommendation to improve your outreach performance as well. The workflow section allows you to automate your outreaches so you can create structured email flows that automatically send follow-ups based on your user action or time intervals. This ensures that no prospect is missed and that every lead is nurtured consistently without manual effort. The audience section helps you manage your subscriber list and segments your prospects. This allows you to run more targeted campaigns based on specific audiences and improves relevance and engagement of your posts and email as well. Next, move on to the lead flow analytics. This section is designed to help businesses discover, track, and manage potential business leads. Once you move to the settings option, you come on to the discovery engine configuration. The AI gives you a strategy that is specific to your business. With things like the type of businesses most likely to benefit from your service, the system also analyzes your company profile and identifies the characteristics, challenges, and objectives of your ideal prospects as well. And this is all AI generated, and you can always regenerate strategy as and when you please. Coming back to the analytics page, in the analytics section, you can see an overview of your lead database performances, including your total databases, daily captures, weekly velocity, and monthly growth. This gives you a clear snapshot of how your lead engine is performing at a high level and see things like your vertical distribution, what channels you're getting your leads from, the geographical pulse, and also provides you with intelligent ecosystem insights as well. The contact data section is designed to give you a complete centralized view of all the leads that you have discovered and processed. Instead of it being scattered information across different tools, everything is organized into one place so you can easily search, filter, and manage your pipeline. On this screen, you can see a breakdown of your lead database, including the total databases, the hot leads, the active pipelines, and the conversions and deals you won as well. Here you can see all your leads displayed into their each individual profiles. By clicking on each lead, you can see a more detailed information about each of them, including an overview of the company or the individual, the timeline, any AI insights that Fritado has for you, which would be an AI-generated overview of the company or the individual, so you have an informed opinion and more information about your leads. You can also track all the follow-ups that have been done for each lead as well. You can also always directly contact them through email or through WhatsApp or call from the platform itself. The leads can also be put into different categories such as new lead, contacted, qualified, proposal sent, negotiation, converted, and lost. And any lead can be moved from one section to the other, like so, and also be put back as well. Each lead can also be assigned to a particular member of your team as well, and all leads can be viewed in either a Kanban style or a list style as well. Next, we have the SEO Copilot. This section is designed to give you actionable insights and improvements on your website performance and all over SEO health. It helps you understand how well your site is optimized for search engines and where improvements can be made to increase your visibility and your ranking. You can choose between a mobile audit or a desktop audit depending on the type of user experience you want to prioritize. And once the audit is run, the system begins analyzing key performances and SEO indicators in real time. It gives you a clear view of how your website is performing and removes the guesswork and replaces it with actionable insights you can use to improve visibility, speed, and overall SEO effectiveness. Next, we have the Chat Pilot Outreach. This section is designed to help you monitor website conversations, capture leads, and overall engagement performance in real time. This is directly connected to the chat pilot you designed at the start of the onboarding process in Fritado. At the top, you can see our analytics, which gives you a high-level overview of performance, including the total conversations, active chats, lead captures, and AI analytics. These metrics help you quickly understand how many visitors are engaging with your system and how effectively these interactions are being converted into qualified leads. You also have a live stream of all the interactions that are taking place on your website, and you can see how visitors are interacting with the chat pilot agent when questions are asked, what questions they're asking, and how the system is responding instantly as well. The interaction system shows you a live stream of all the interactions that have been taking place on your website. It shows you real-time conversations happening on your website, including user messages and the AI responses as well. At the Active AI Personnel section, you can create a new AI agent tailored to a specific role. Each agent can have their own name, the primary goal, responsibility, the conversational tone, and any knowledge or behavioral instructions you'd want to provide for specific business needs. Once these are all filled, you can deploy the agent as well. Next, we have the intelligence section that is designed to help you add company, product, and service knowledges so the AI can generate more accurate and context-aware responses. Instead of relying on generic answers, the system then uses your own knowledge database to understand your business services and offerings in detail. You can see the analytics on the system's data as the total intelligence, active streams, and live sync status as well. These metrics represent how much structured knowledge has been added and how actively it's being used in real-time conversation. You can add different intelligence streams, which can be different website links from your website, and also different knowledge assets, which can be different documents that can be provided for each of your services. By clicking on the Add Knowledge button, you can input knowledge sources through manual entry, web ingestion, or bulk upload. This is where you can upload information about any of your company's products, services, or portfolios. This can be things like your About Us page, your portfolio pages, any product-related contract or document that you have as well. This helps the AI understand what your company represents and then can use it in conversation. By constantly adding and updating knowledge assets, you improve the AI's accuracy and strength, and also helps reduce incorrect answers and creates a much more intelligent and context-aware AI experience for your website visitors. At the top of your page, you have things like your account and security, billings and plan, and help center. With the account and security section, you can fill in information such as your email, contact number, and location, which is securely stored and only used for contact authentication and system functionality. It ensures that your data information is kept secure and your account remains safe while using the platform. The billing and plan section is where you can see a subscription overview. This section gives you a clear view of what you're currently subscribed to and how effectively you're utilizing your platform. You can also build your own plan wherein your plan is configured in terms of features, limits, and included modules, which gives you a clear breakdown of what your workspace is built on. We also have the Help Center where you can manage and support tickets and get assistance from our team whenever you require help. You can always create a ticket when you need help, wherein you can fill in the subject, the category, the priority, and give a brief description of what the issue is. And our support team will get back to you as soon as they can. To summarize, Fritado combines lead generation, outreach automation, AI-powered engagement, and pipeline management into one unified platform. It helps businesses generate qualified leads, automate repetitive processes, improve customer engagement, and build a more predictable and scalable sales pipeline. Instead of working across multiple disconnected tools, everything is now managed into one place. This allows your team to reduce manual effort, improve efficiency, and focus on what truly matters: closing deals and growing the business. Thank you.